Chainsaw Man Chapter 118. The spinal cord sword didn't work, like I said last time, and now she also thinks that Denji doesn't like her, even though he asked her on a date, and now she's contemplating over it over and over again. But then we see the date, and it's at the movie theater. I think the one where he took, or not where he took, but where Makima took him, and yeah. But then she's like, wouldn't it be cheaper if we just watch movies at home? And now they're going to his house, and we're gonna see the reincarnation of Makima, I guess, and they have rules, and if you break them, they die, and then the guy who's pretending to be the fake Chainsaw Man is eavesdropping on them, so I'm assuming he's probably gonna die next chapter. Great chapter, go read it, bye!